This is our famous Marvel character Iron Man. He saves only America. I don't know why, but all the problems comes to America only. I feel sad for the superheroes and Americans. Anyway, this is Iron Man bacteria and it is very useful in saving our environment from the radioactive waste materials. But there is only one small difference exists between these bacteria and Iron Man character. So let's see what is the difference is and why it is called as Iron Man bacteria. Recently, National Science Foundation (NSF) funded a project from Michigan State University, US. The members of that research team is working on a bacterium found in soil called as Geobacter. This is the first organism ever found with the ability to oxidize organic compounds and materials, including iron, radioactive materials, and petroleum compounds into carbon dioxide, which means we humans are dumping lot of radioactive waste and other metallic irreversible waste in this environment, and there is no way to reuse it. For example, according to United States Department of Energy, nuclear reactor in US produces more than 2000 metric tons of radioactive waste a year. And the most important thing is, wherever we dump this radioactive waste, it will definitely causes drastic effects to that place if any accident happens. So we've been attempting lot of ways to overcome this problem. And the great solution we got till now is this Geobacter, that is Iron Man bacteria. And the irony behind this name is most of the radioactive waste like cobalt, etc., can kill almost all the kinds of microorganisms except this Geobacter. This bacteria is capable of extracting radioactive waste metals onto them like a shield. That's why we call it as a Iron Man bacteria. And this radioactive waste won't affect this bacteria in any way. It's like we humans created the problem to environment. So environment gave solution to protect itself through this Geobacter. Research group is still conducting lot of studies on this bacteria. As of now, we can use this revolutionary bacteria to clean up the radioactive waste like cadmium, which is found in industrial pollution, and it can form a basis for new biotechnological ideas to reclaim and recycle cobalt from lithium ion batteries, reducing the nation's dependence on cobalt mines. And more than that, it can be a key to open lot of new opportunities and existing possibilities. So in summary, both the Iron Man and Iron Man bacteria was found in America and uses radioactive materials in the shield, but one is fictional and protects only America, and another one is true and protects the entire environment. That's it guys, I hope you guys liked my video. Please do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.